Coach Pough knows reservations.
Hey guys, hold it down. I gotta get us checked in. You got a reservation for Coach Buddy Pough?
I got you, Coach.
Coach Pough knows RVing.
It's game time, y'all. All right, team. That's what I'm talking about.
Coach Pough knows tents.
All right, team. Let me show you how we're gonna do this. Now that's what I'm talking about.
Coach Pough knows hiking.
Come on, y'all. Just a little bit further.
Coach Pough knows biking.
Come on, y'all. Just a little bit further.
Coach Pough knows boating.
Just a little bit further.
Coach Pough knows leave no trace.
Don't even think about it. Pick it up.
Coach Pough knows park rangers.
Hey, Coach. Hey, Coach. Hey, Coach. Welcome back.
Coach Pough knows fishing.
Coach, you know you ain't gonna catch no fish, man.
Coach Pough knows grilling.
These ain't bulldogs. These are hot dogs.
Coach Pough knows campfire.
Earl, what are you doing? Let me show you how to do it.
Coach Pough knows the Unity Blaze.
So then I told Earl to tell everyone that it means you treat everyone, everywhere, equally.
Coach Pough knows South Carolina state parks.